Hi guys, I thought I'd introduce you to this. It's a clear coat that's brushable onto the paint we've already done on the enamel coach paint. It's supposed to have 15 years UV protection. I have tried it, but it looks good. It does a good job. I'm going to try it now on live for you to see. And this is the stuff. It's really good. It's just like a varnish type stuff. So let's get on with the paint job. I'll go out to the car and we'll get started. Oh, by the way, the only brush I'm going to use is this one. It's a 3-inch Harris synthetic brush. It's the only one I'm going to use. Okay, so let's get on with it. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So here we are, back at the car. I'm going to, well, I've rubbed it down with Scotch pad, just to roughen up the area slightly, but not a lot. That's on the original enamel paint. Just dry that off, that little bit there. I've just wiped it down. Bit of tissue paper to get that muck off there. And then we're good to go, I think. Yeah, sounds right. So, off we go. I'm going to start over here and go so far down. And all you do is brush it on very quick. Got a bit of dirt there. It's alright. Bit of dirt there. Where that's coming from. Once off the brush, shouldn't be, I've just washed it. But hey, these things happen. Maybe it's floating about in the air, could be. But, and all you do is feather it out like that. Nice and easy, just the weight of the brush. And with this wet edge there, you go back over it, work it into the original paint, but not too far, the original coating. Same again, like a feather. Hardly touching the paint, hardly touching the brush with it. It's like that. It dries a lot better. Just seems to merge in a bit more. Wet edge again. Work it in. Don't put too much on your brush. More dirt. And just feather it in. Feather it in. I'll show you what I've done the wing. Now, I tried it first on the wing to see what it looked like. And I must admit, I'm very pleased with it. Well, I'm not pleased with the dirt marks. Not sure where they're coming from actually. Seems to be coming off the brush. This is the trouble with doing it outside, you see. But, like I say, you can, as long as you're quick, you can rectify it. Right, that's all coated now. I'm going to give that a little bit more there. that's all there is to it really, but I'll show you the front wing so you can get an idea what it looks like. You can see that. Can you see that? Where are we? Oh, the camera is. Where's the camera? Just bear with me, I'll take the camera off here. That's better. How's that? That's how it looks right now. And that's after one coat. So as you can see, you get good results. And the good thing about it, apparently, you can buff it back in about 5 weeks when it's gone rock hard. So hopefully you'll get a good idea of what that's like. If you want to know what it's called, I'll put it in the link below. And enjoy. Thank you.